All right, Zaya family, item number 3 for today. These are our maroon fleece active joggers, and these come in 2 different colors. We have the maroon, which I am wearing, and then the black that will show on the screen, but we're doing the 2 different colors, and these joggers are amazing. I can't even begin to explain. So, on this, we recommend true to size. We only recommend sizing up if you're looking for a little bit more room in your jogger. But overall, every single size, extra small through triple XL, everybody believes that true to size is the very best way to go with these. So we've got that out of the way. I am wearing an extra small. I am 5'2", 116 pounds, and this is my standard size. I wear this in all of our items. So on here, we have a no-roll waistband. This is like a cinched waistband. So as you can see, I could have more room if I need to. So it's gonna be great for lounging around the house. I don't have to worry about this cutting off my stomach, anything like that. It's a very relaxed fit. So on here, this has a 26.5-inch inseam on all of the joggers. So I am 5'2", like I mentioned, and so they are a little bit longer on me. And then on these, they are a fleece. So these are definitely gonna keep you warm if you're wanting to be outside, whatever you're doing. This is a very, very warm item. On here, we have our Moon logo just on the back there. And this item, like I said, very relaxed fit. It's going to be perfect to keep us warm during these winter months, and I know you're going to love it.